65 square plus 101 square minus 23 square. Minus 23 square. This is the question. 65 square plus 101 square minus 23 square. Some key points. Every problem, some important key points we'll discuss. Key points. First key point. Last two digits for numbers ending with 5. Last two digits for numbers ending with 5. Extremely important logic, sir. The first term, it is ending with 5. Last two digits for numbers ending with 5. Now see this one. 25 into 25, it is 625. 15 into 15, it is 225. 15 into 25, it is 375. Already enrolled students were discussed in detail, right? 2 is an even number. Even 5 into, again 2 is an even number. 1 is an odd number. Odd 5 into odd 5. 1 is an odd number ending with 5. 2 is an even number ending with 5. Extremely important key point. Even 5 into even 5, odd 5 into odd 5. Last two digits will be 25. Odd 5 into even 5. Last two digits will be 75. Extremely important. Please make a note of it. Even 5 into even 5. When you multiply any two even numbers ending with 5, last two digits is 25. When you multiply any two odd numbers ending with 5, last two digits is 25. Else it is 75. If the tens place, in both the cases, if it is even or odd, last two digits will be 25. Else it is 75. If the tens place, if you are multiplying, these valid for 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 4 numbers, and so on. Tens place, both are even, 25. Tens place, both are odd, 25. 1 odd, 1 even. Last two digits, it is 75. Why are we discussing this one? We are discussing to solve this problem. Now we are using the last two digits logic. Last two digits logic. 65 square. 65 square is 65 into 65. 6 is even, it is even. Even 5 into even 5. Last two digits, it is 25. 101 square. 101 square can be written as 100 plus 01 square. So the last two digits is 01. 23 square, it is 529. 29. 25 plus 1, 26. 26 minus 29. Negative remainder minus 3. Positive remainder is 100 minus 3, 97. Last two digits in the answer should be 97. Last two digits in the answer should be 97. Again, another important key point. I hope the students are writing their own notes. It will be very difficult. You will forget it. We do not belong to the hereditary of extremely powerful memories. I do not belong to that category. I require something for me to revisit it. Revision only helps. Write down these important key point in your notebook. Your notebook you can only create. Somebody else's notebook you can refer it. But your best will come. You will understand, write down in your own way, understand in a way and express it. It could be in Hindi, it could be in your mother tongue, it could be any language. You should understand from my class each and every important key point. What to use, where to use, when to use, what not to use, how to use. That clarity you should have. So whenever you get a negative reminder, in finding the last two digits, add with 100. 100 minus 3 is 97. Last two digits should be 97. Last two digits should be 97. I hope the idea it is clear. Let me go back. Where the last two digits is 97, if it is 13957. If it is 13957, so this answer will not be wrong, will not be right, because last two digits it is not matching. Hey Anil sir, I have a question. What if the answer is 13297? Good. Definitely you might get these doubt. 13297. Hundreds of teachers you might have seen in YouTube where they just solve the questions. They will not be able to create a questions or create an answer options which will clarify your doubt. That is the reason you should definitely listen to my sessions, which will change the way you look at aptitude. Sir, what if the option is 13297? What if the option is 13297? Very, very good doubt that you have asked. Now let us see. I hope I will again discuss in detail this concept. Please write down this very, very important concept. Extremely important concept. Extremely important. Next slide is very important to me. Even 5 into even 5, 25. Odd 5 into odd 5, 25. Even 5 into odd 5, 75. Now, I hope it is clear. Now, let us find the last two digits for. Please write down. Sir, I forgot to tell you, these entire classroom notes, the students who join our Telegram group, kindly WhatsApp this number to join the Telegram group so that you will get the classroom notes also freely. Marathon workshop, classroom notes. Notes is not only questions. Sorry, it is not only questions. It is questions plus answers. Questions plus solutions. Whatever I am solving it, you will get the questions plus solutions PDF. If you WhatsApp this number, tell the team, please send the Telegram group link. You can also have the solutions. I am perfectly okay in giving the solution. Anything which is half knowledge, I won't do it. If I do it, I will do it to the best of the abilities. Find the last two digits for. First question, 1235 into 8295 into 7375 into 8415. First question. 1235 into 8295. I felt that I discussed only one example related to that concept. Students need more and more examples. 1235 into 8295 into 7375 into 8415. 123, it is an odd number ending with 5. 829, it is an odd number ending with 5. 737, it is an odd number ending with 5. 841, it is an odd number ending with 5. Odd 5 into odd 5, last two digits 25. Odd 5 into odd 5, last two digits 25. 2 is even, these also even. So it is even 5 into even 5, last two digits will be 25. Last two digits will be 25. Last two digits will be 25. I hope it is clear. Second one, 345 power 682. 345 power 682. 345 power 682. You don't need to do anything. 682 is an even number. Power is an even number. If the power is an even number, then the number is a perfect square. Any perfect square ending with 5, last two digits will be 25. Any perfect square ending with 5, last two digits will be 25. 1785 power 1892. Power is an even number. Last two digits will be 25. Last two digits, it will be 25. Last two digits, it will be 25. Suppose if the question is 535 power 193. Power is an odd number. It can easily be written as 192 into 535. 192. Power is an even number. So it is 25. 53, it is an odd number. Even 5 into odd 5. What will be the answer? 75. Very, very easy to solve. Most of the students will take a lot of time. Why? Because they do not know all these concepts. What they do is, they will probably just watch one teacher. Whatever the teacher knows, that knowledge only he can give it to you. He cannot give the knowledge which he does not possess. I hope it is clear. So 1, 2, 3 odd number, 8 to 9 odd number. You don't need to see the entire number. Odd number, odd number, odd number and odd number. Some examples related to the logic. Odd 5 into odd 5. Last two digits 25, even 5 into even 5, 25, odd 5 into even 5, 75. Rajesh is asking a question. If options have none of this, that also we will discuss. Right? But before that one, let me explain some more concepts. Now, here Rajesh is asking me to keep none of this. That also eighth option we will keep. Eighth option, none of this. Now see here. I will solve 7 and 8 option together. Now see. Next one. 65 square. Write down the question, sir. 65 square plus 101 square minus 23 square. 23 square. So I am addressing a question where option, if it is none of this, that is the reason I told you. By using some logics of speed calculation, that also you can solve. But first we will discuss 65 square in plus 101 square minus 23 square. Put a star mark, another concept. My class will be full of concepts, sir. 65 square. Now see here. Square of the numbers, write down this logic. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Square of the numbers ending with 5. Now, there are two types. Both the types we will discuss. Type 1. A5 into B5. A5 into B5. A5 into B5. Now see here. If A and B both are even, A and B both are even, last two digits will be 25. Are you all with me? If A and B both are odd numbers, odd 5 into odd 5, 25. If one is odd, one is even, last two digits it is 75. Write down in the same order. Even if the question number, numerical values are changed, you can still solve it. A is even, B is odd. If A and B both are even, just now we discussed, even into even it is 25, odd into odd 25, even into odd it is 75. Now listen carefully. It is 75. The number before is given by the logic A into B plus A plus B by 2. A into B plus A plus B by 2. If you get any decimal, ignore the decimals. Kindly ignore the decimal value. 3.1. Anything after dot, remove it. Write down it as 3. 3.9. Anything after dot, remove it. Ignore the decimals. A5 into B5. In the previous case, we found out only the last two digits. But one of my student has asked, what if the option none of these it is there? So just how to get the answer fast, we will discuss. A into B plus A plus B by 2. Sir, how you got this? A into B plus A plus B by 2. A is there in the tens place. So A can be written as 10A plus 5. B can be written as B is there in the tens place, which is 10B plus 5. So this will become 100AB plus 50A plus 50B plus 25. This can be written as A into B plus A plus B by 2 into 100 plus 25. Into 100, I replaced it with a slash. Simple. Into 100, I replaced it with a slash. Before two digits, I kept a slash, so it is into 100. Please do not write in your notebook if it is not clear to you. Not clear to you. Just for the sake of, for this question, this is the shortcut. I don't teach like that. Some funny teachers may teach like that, right? You can call it as an entertainment show, not an real education. 65 square plus 101 square minus 23 square. So, sir, here it is 65 into 65, it is easy. If it is 65 into 85, then the problems will be difficult. Type 1, examples. In mathematics, the more and more examples you solve, the more and more understanding you will have. 45 into 95. 45 into 95. 4 is even, 9 is odd. Even into odd. Last two digits is 75. Are you all with me? A into B. 4 9s are 36. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 by 2, 6.5. So answer for this question will be 4275. Idea clear? Here, please do not do a mistake. A into B. 4 9s are 36. A plus B. 4 plus 9, 13. 13 by 2, 6.5. 3.1 also 3. 3.9 also 3. Just remove everything after dot. 4275. Second example, 105 into 125. 3 digits, 4 digits, you can use it. 105 into 125. 10 is even, 12 is even. Even 5 into even 5. 25. A into B. 10 12s are 120. 10 plus 12. 22 by 2. 11. Answer is 13125. Answer is 13125. I hope it is clear. A5 into B5. A and B could be same. A and B could be different. Difference also you can solve it. Now look at me, sir. 25 into 45. Look at me and say the answer. 25 into 45. Even 5 into even 5. 25. 2 4s are 8. 2 plus 4, 6 by 2, 3. Answer is 1125. 10 seconds it will take to solve the question. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, 65 whole square. 65 whole square means 65 into 65. Write down a key point. What if A is equivalent to B? It will become A5 into A5. Are you all with me? A5 into A5. A, if it is even, even into even, 25. Odd into odd, 25. A into A square. A plus A, 2A by 2. A. It is A into A plus 1 ending with 25. Most of the teachers will teach you add 1 and do it. Why are we adding 1? I hope the proof is clear. I hope the proof is extremely clear to you. What if A is equivalent to B? A5 into A5. A is even. Even 5 into even 5. Last 2 digits 25. A into A square plus 2A by 2, it is A. A into A plus 1 ending with 2, 5. A into A plus 1 ending with 2, 5. I hope it is clear. This is type 1. This is type 1 logic. Type 1, I hope it is clear. Type 2. Type 2. For a single problem, I will not miss a single concept, sir. Concept. Now, what is that we discussed? 35 into 65. 35 into 65. What is the concept? A5 into B5. If A and B are both are even, last 2 digits is 25. Otherwise, it is 75. A and B even, A and B odd. Here we have to ignore the decimal. Listen carefully, sir. Type 2 is extremely important. Very, very important. 35 into 65. First we will understand it. A into B. 6 3s are 18. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 by 2, 4.5. Write down 4. Odd 5 into even 5. It is 75. So answer is 2275. Answer is 2275. 65 square. 65 into 65. Even 5 into even 5. 25. A into A plus 1. Which is 4225. 4225. Now listen carefully, sir. Type 2. Type 2. Type 2. To all the students who are struggling with the number system, who are just, let me complete, then I'll discuss that one. 83 into 87. 83 into 87. Listen carefully, sir. Here, 5 plus 5, it is same. That means leftmost digit, it is same. 6 and 6. Write down this one, sir. Leftmost digit, it is same. Sum of remaining digits. It is of the form 10 power k. This logic is used. What is 5 plus 5? 10. What is 3 plus 7? 10. 5 5s are 25. 3 7s are 21. Here we added 1. Here also added 1. 9 8s are 72. Answer is 72 70. 21. I hope the idea it is clear. 94 into 96. 94 into 96. See that problem? 5 plus 5, it is same. Please write down. Leftmost digit, it is same. 6, it is same. Sum of the remaining digits is 10 power k. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. So multiply this one. 3 7s are 21. 4 6s are 24. Add 1. 10 9s are 90. 10 9s are 90. 49 into 41. 49 into 41. Listen carefully, sir. 49 into 41. 4 plus 6, it is 10. 9 1 plus 1, it is 10. 24, it is a 2-digit number. 21, it is a 2-digit number. 9 ones are 9. 9 in a 2-digit number. 0 9. Add 1 to it. 5 4s are 20. Why we added 0? I hope the concept is clear. Suppose if the question is 297 into 203. 297 into 203. What is the condition where we can use these logic? Leftmost digit should be same. 6 and 6 same. 8 and 8 same. 9 and 9 same. 4 and 4 same. 2 and 2 same. Sum of the remaining digits should be of the form 10 power k. 5 plus 5, 10. 3 plus 7, 10. 9 plus 1, 10. 97 plus 3, 100. So 97 3s are 291. 9703. 9703. 291. So what we'll do is add a 0. 3 2s are 6. Very, very interesting concepts we discussed, because Rajesh has asked a question. Right? Rajesh has asked a question. What if none of them it is there? I hope it is clear. Suhas, whenever you are solving a problem, depending upon the answer options, which logic to be used, that should be determined. If the unit digits are different, use the unit digit logic. If the last 2 digits are different, use the last 2 digits logic. If the digital sums are different, use the digital sum logic. If the answer option contains none of this and the unit digits last 2 digits are matching, then use the speed calculation technique. Suhas, I hope I answered your question. Bapa Raji is asking me about a book, which we will discuss it in the next slide. I hope this concept is clear. For me, concepts only matter, sir. What my students should get profited from my sessions. Rest everything, it can wait. It can wait. I hope this logic is clear. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Now, I hope it is clear. One more example which we will do. 3998 into 3002. 3998 into 3002. 998 plus 2, 1000. We can use it. 1996. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 2 zeros. Add 1 to it. 4 3s are 12. 4 3s are 12. 1 2 0 0 196. 1 2 0 0 196. I hope the idea it is perfectly clear to you. Squares of the numbers ending with 5. Now, another one. For me, it is not the question. Question could be any numerical value. Next one. A square minus B square equivalent to A minus B into A plus B. A minus B into A plus B. So, if B square comes to the right hand side, this will become A minus B into A plus B square. A minus B into A plus B square. Square of a number. Now see here. There is one more number, 101 square. So that we will discuss a little later. First we will understand the concept. 92 square. 92 is nearer to 100. 92 is nearer to 100. A is 92. B is the difference between number and assumed base. 92, 100. What is the difference? 8. 92 minus 8 into 92 plus 8 plus 8 square. So answer will be 84 into 100 plus 64. Answer will be 8464. Answer will be 8464. Suppose if the question is 101 square. 101 is nearer to 100. So A minus B. 101 minus 1. 101 plus 1 plus 1 square. So answer is 10201. 10201. I hope it is clear. Suppose if the question is 992 square, 992 is nearer to 1000. So 992 minus 8, 992 plus 8 plus 8 square. So answer will be 984 into 1000 plus 64. Answer is 984064. Answer is 984064. Very important. It is not the problem centric that will make you clear the aptitude examination in the first attempt. In the first attempt, it is all about the concepts.